Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you my latest knit crate. So let's get started. For this month's knit crate, the inspiration booklet, as you can see here, the theme this month is Mirage. And you get the table of contents right here, and then you get the theme as well as some photos that go along with this theme for this month. And then for this month's yarns, you get 2 pages of what the yarns look like. Now I realize that this is June's knit crate, so they are a little bit behind on getting the knit crates out. My July knit crate is in the mail, so hopefully that comes shortly. But this is June 2021's knit crate. Now they have 2 different clubs in this booklet. The first one is the Knit and Crochet Club, which is what I have and we'll be showing you today. And here's all of those pretty colors that are included in this month's kit. This month's yarn is the luxurious Violana Oasis, a mix of 50% alpaca wool, 25% Peruvian highland / merino wool, and 25% suri alpaca. With these 3 kinds of wool, they create a yarn that has beautiful drape and is soft to the touch. So for the Knit and Crochet Club, you will get 2 skeins of one of these colors. From the top down, you have Phoenix, Tucson, Morocco, Sahara, Casablanca, Palm Springs, and Nevada. So those are all very pretty colors. Now if you are instead part of the sock club, you get the choice of 1 skein of each of these colors. So you have this green color, which is the pea pod, the blue color, which is It's Your Own Little World, and this brown color, Every Tree Needs a Friend. And this is the Knitology Happy Little Sock. And then regardless of which club you're a part of, whether you're part of the Knit and Crochet Club or the Sock Club, the booklet contains all 4 patterns that are included in this month's kit. So for the Knit and Crochet Club, you get this knit pattern, which is the Leaves and Soda shawl. And for this one, for the crochet, you get something called the Jackson shawl, which is a beautiful reddish shawl. And then of course you get 1 knit and 1 crochet sock. So the knit sock is called the Happy Little Tree sock, and the crochet socks is the Sideline Roan Strong. So then you get a few additional pictures. So this is again that knit shawl. And here's a larger photo of that crochet shawl. And then you get the 2 sock patterns as I mentioned. So that's the knit one. And then that's the crochet version. And then on the very back you get the theme for the next knit crate. And the theme for July is weekend. So you can see a lot of retro colors and inspiration photos here. So I'm excited to see what the July knit crate looks like in person. Of course, you always get a little extra. So in this one, I get Sip 1, Stitch 1, Repeat from the asterisk. And this is just a little cup cozy, which is pretty practical. I thought it was pretty cute to keep your drink cold. So I really like that extra. Usually I'm not a huge fan of the extra, but I thought this was a useful item. And of course, we get to the yarn. So the yarn again is the Violana Oasis, and the color I got was Phoenix. Again, it is a 50% alpaca wool, 25% Peruvian highland merino wool blend, and 25% suri alpaca. It's a DK weight yarn. It's 252 yards or 230 meters, and it's 100 grams. And the care for this is hand wash gently, lay flat to dry. So I got 2 skeins of that Phoenix color, and hopefully my camera can pick it up, but it's a very dark navy color, and there's some black undertones. There's also a little bit of purple undertones, and you see a little bit of fuzz, which is probably from that alpaca. So I get 2 skeins of that, and it is pretty thin yarn. Now it's not as soft as I anticipated it to be. It is still really soft, but I can feel like, I mean, I would wear a scarf or a hat with this, but it's definitely not as soft as some of the yarns that I received in another knit crate. It definitely has a lot of drape to it, and that's what I really like too. It's very nice and squishy. So I definitely enjoy this yarn, and I'm excited to make something with it. I'm not a huge fan of shawl patterns. It's just not something I personally gravitate towards, so I probably won't be using any of the patterns that were in the booklet. However, they are definitely beautiful. They're just not for me. As far as the yarn goes, I really like this color a lot, but I feel like they had so many other pretty colors that I was gravitating towards a little bit more. I would have liked maybe this pinkish color, or even any, well actually I would prefer any of these colors. I just got the really dark Phoenix color, and it is a really pretty color. It's just not one of the first colors I probably would have picked up. But I'm sure I can find something really pretty to make with this. I'm thinking maybe a scarf. So we'll see what happens with that and see what I end up making with it. But I just wanted to pop on real fast and just tell you about this yarn. And if you're interested, I do have a coupon code in the description box below that will give you 20% off your first order. So if you are interested, you can always click on that link and check it out. But that is just what the June knit crate looks like, and I am excited to see what everyone else gets with their June knit crate as far as the colors they get, and just kind of just seeing what other projects are out there. And I'm excited for the next knit crate as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you got some information about the Knit Crate Club a little bit. Again, I'll leave a link below in case you're interested in just checking out what Knit Crate is fully, and different information about the different kits that are out there. And I hope you like this yarn just as much as I do. Alright everybody, now it's time to like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And as always, happy crocheting! Bye!